Hey, I'm Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut, and I'm going to show you brand new Sea Ray 260 SLX. This is the outboard version. We've got a white Mercury 300 V8. Tons of storage underneath here. This goes underneath the port side seat, very deep. We've got another little cooler area insulated that flips up. USB fusion radio. Beautiful diamond pattern stitching. Finished captain's chair on both sides. We've got a cockpit table, we've got a bow table. This seat rotates to go completely aft or forward. Finished head. The sea deck on this boat is custom made for Sea Ray. Beautiful. The helm, dual 9-inch dash, digital throttle and shift. There's actually an induction charger on here, so you just need to put your phone right on top and it will start charging. This model has the power tower up and down with a manual aft shade that slides forward and back. Power tower is great for storage. If you're storing it in a rack storage area, you could save on some room. Or if you need to go underneath any type of bridge, drop it down and sneak right through no matter what the tide is. This boat is red, white, and blue. It's brand new from Sea Ray, just dropped off. We'd love to show you more here at Westbrook at MarineMax, 627 Boston Post Road.